Hello everyone. Today we are going to start question number 3 of exercise 6.4. So here we have given a decimal number, how to find the square root of a decimal number. The only difference is making the pairs. We will make the pair after decimal, right, and before decimal. It will like your line, that your decimal is like a 0 and your line can be extend to both sides. If you open your hands, you see the root is in the mid, and your hands are spread to the left and right side. So like that you can make the pairs. So the pairs are like if you have given this number, you will make the pair of 56. If any number more will be given, you will make the pair of that number and 2 itself. Let me write one more number here to confirm you how to make the pairs. This is 29568. Okay, and this is the number you have given. How to make the pair? We will start making the pair after decimal. This is 29, 56, 38. If one more number is there, you will put a 0 here, right, to make this pair complete. And then before decimal you will make the pair like 56 and 1. This is your like 0. If you have a line now, this is 0, and your numbers start like this, like this. So you will make the pair of like this to the right hand side, left to right, and before decimal, this is like decimal, and before decimal you will make the pairs from right to left, right? You understand how to make the pair. Now see, these are all the questions, parts in this third question are perfect squares. I want to discuss the non-perfect square number also with you. So this is a perfect square number, and you can solve it by making this design. Now see, whose square is nearly equal to or less than 2. This is 1 square is 1, so you will write a 1 here, and after subtraction you will get 1, and forward this 56. You are using 56, that is a number after decimal, right? So put a decimal here in the answer only. You will put the decimal in the answer only, right? So now take the square of this number. This is double of this number, that is 1 to the 2, right? So let us check. 6 comes when you find 4 square and 6 square. 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36. In that you can get the 6 as unit place. So it can goes at 4, so 24 multiply by 4. If it goes at 6, then 26 multiply by 6. Let us check. 4 to the 8, 4 4 the 16, 4 to the 8 and 1 9, right? So let us check at 6. 6 6 is 36, carrying 3 4 6 to the 12 and 3 15. Exactly it goes at 6. So we will write a 6 here and here, and 26 6 is 156. After subtraction we will get a cross or a 0 here. So the square root of 2.56 you can write as 1.6, right? Now come to the second part. This is also a perfect square number. Make the pair after decimal, left to right, and before decimal, right to left, right? So let us check whose square is nearly equal to 7 or less than 7. This is 2 to the 4, right? So 2 to the 4. If you subtract, you will get 3 and forward a 29. Now before 29 there is a decimal, so put a decimal in the answer. Now find the double of this 2, that is 2 to the 4. When 9 comes, if you find the square of 3 and if you find the square of 7, then you will get 9 as the unit place. So if it goes at 3, then 43 multiply by 3. If it goes at 7, 47 multiply by 7. Let us check. This is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. No. Let us check at 7. 7 7s are 49, carrying 4 7 4s are 28, and 4 is 32. So exactly it goes at 7. Exactly it goes at 7, and the multiplication is 329. After subtraction you will get a cross or a 0, and the square root of 7.29 is 2.7, right? Now come to the third part. Again make the pairs from the after decimal from left to right, and before decimal left right to left. Now see, whose square is nearly equal to or smaller than 51, that is 7. 7 7s are 49. Square of 7 is 49, and you will put here 11 minus 9 is 2, and forward this 84, and before 84 there is a decimal, so put a decimal in the answer only. So make the double of this 7 is 14, and when 4 comes, if you find the square of 2 and also if you find the square of 8, you will get 8. It is a 64. In that also 4 comes in the unit place. So if it goes at 2, then 142 multiply with 2, and if it goes at 8, 148 will multiply by 8. Let us check. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Yes, it exactly goes at 2, so no need to check at 8. So multiplication is 284. After subtraction you will get a cross or a 0. And now square root of 51.84 is equal to 7.2, right? So come to the next part, fourth part, make the pairs. You know how to make. So whose square is nearly less than or equal to 42? That is 6 6 is 36. It goes as at 6 6 6 is 36. After subtraction you will get 6, and forward a 25, and before 25 there is a decimal, so put the decimal in answer only. Now find the square of find the double of this 6 is 6 2 is 12. Now when 5 comes, if you find the square of 5, so exactly it will goes at 5. So 5 5s are 25, carrying 2, 5 2s are 10, and 2 12, carrying 1, 5 1s are 5, and 1 6, and you will get a cross or 0 after subtraction. So the square root of 42.25 is 6.5, right? So this is the solution. I hope you understand. Now come to the fifth part. Make this design and pair. Think whose square is nearly equal to or smaller than 31. That is 5 square. So you will write 5 here and here. 5 5s are 25. If you subtract, you will get 6, and forward 36. If you forward this 36, before that you have decimal, so put the decimal only in the answer. Now find the double of this 5 is 10. When 6 come, you know that when you find the square of 4, and when you find the square of 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 is here, so clearly it goes at 6, and you can check at 4 also. Here you can check at 4 also. 6 6 are 36, and 6 ones are 6, clearly it goes at 6. Now square root of 31.36 is 5.6, right? So this is the solution. Now students, these are the cases. In the third question, all the parts are the cases when all are the perfect square numbers. Now I want for you that you should know the non-perfect square, how to find the square root for them, right? So this is the part that is not included in your NCERT book, but I want that you should know. So I'm finding the square root of 2. 2 is not a perfect square number, right? So how to make the pair? We will put the decimal here and insert the zeros as many we want, right? I'm inserting 6 zeros, right? So pair of 2 will be there with a 0. Now whose square is nearly or equal to 2 is 1. So 1 ones are 1. If you subtract, you will get 1, and forward the double 0. If you forward this double 0, a decimal is there, so you can put a decimal here in the answer. So find the double of 1 is the 1 2s are 2. Now see 100, and you know that 100 is the square of 10 only, and here is 2. We are not having 10. So what should we do? We just check the number that multiplied and get less than 100. Like if I am finding 21 ones are, this is 21, 22 twos are, this is 44, 23 threes are is 69, 24 fours are is 96, 25 fives are is 125 is more, right? So you will get it 96. So it goes at 4. It goes at here 4 I'm taking, right? So it goes at 4. Put a 4 here and here. 24 fours is 96. If you subtract 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0. Again forward a double 0 here. You have already put it the decimal, so no need to do again. So find the double of this 14. We will just put the decimal here only. Here we don't need to put the decimal. So 14 twos are 28. Again we will check that again we will check 28. If it goes at 1, you will get 281. If it goes at 2, 282 into 2 will be there. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, and 1 5. This is more than this 400, so clearly it goes at 1. So I'm writing 1 here, and it goes at 1 and you will get 281. If you subtract 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Again forward a double 0 here and find the double of this number. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2. Now again we will check that if it goes at 1, if it goes at 1, the answer will be 2821. 2821. Let us check again. If it is goes at 2, then 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. It is very smaller. Let us check at 3. If it goes at 3, you will get 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24 carrying 2, 3 2s are 6 and 2 8. Let us check at 4. It may goes at 4. 4 4s are 16 carrying 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 4 8s are 32 carrying 3, 4 2s are 8 and 3 11. So it is near to this number, so it goes at 4. So let us take at 4. So you will get here 11,296. Subtract it, right? We need to do this up to 3 places. So we have written, we will write here root 2 is equal to 1.414 approximately, right? It is approximate because it is a non-terminating number. 2 is non-terminating number, so you can place more zeros and do more places, right? So but we just need to do up to 3 places. So and root 2 is equal to 1.41 exactly, right? You can round off it. So this is the square root of a non-terminating number and non-perfect square number. So this will need you in the next class, but I hope you understand this. And similarly you can find the square root of 3 and 5. I hope you can find. So try by yourself. If you are not able to find, you can tell me, I will solve for you. Now the question number 4, that is in your NCERT book. In this we have to find the smallest number that we can subtract from this number to get it perfect. You know that at the unit place we are having 2 here, and a number that have unit digit 2 is not a perfect square, you know that. So to make it perfect, what the smallest number we can subtract here? So at first we will do it by division method. So let us check whose square is nearly equal or less than 4. This is 2, so 2 2s are 4. Subtraction will be 0 and your forward 0 2. Now find the double of this number. This is 2 2s are 4. If it goes at 0, only in this case you can get here 0 0. Otherwise if it goes at 1, you just need a 41 here. That is not possible. So 2 is the smallest number that should be subtracted. So it will not divisible, so you can put a 0 here, right? So 2 is the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number that should be subtracted to get 402 as a perfect square, right? So 402 minus 2 is equal to 400, and the square root of 400 is same as this, so this is 20, right? So this is the solution. Now come to the next part. Make again the pair like before and check whose square is nearly equal to or smaller than 19, that is 4. So 4 4s are 16, you will get 3 and forward 89, 4 2s are 8. Now check where it goes. This is if it goes at 1, then 81 into 1 is 81. If it goes at 2, then 82 2s is 164, right? And 83 3s is 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, and 84 4s is 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32 and 1 39. This is more, so it goes at 3, right? So goes at 3. So let us check at 3. This is 249. Subtract 9 minus 9 is 0, 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 140 is the number that should be subtracted. uh, something is missing here. 4 4s are 16, carrying 1, 4 8s are 32, and 1 33. I'm sorry, so it goes at 4. I'm sorry, it goes at 4. So if it goes at 4, you will get 336 here. And now subtract 9 minus 6 is 3, 8 minus 3 is 5. So 53 must be subtracted. So 53 is the smallest number that should be subtracted to get perfect square. You can write here perfect square. So you can subtract 1989, subtract 53 from it. You will get 9 minus 3 is 4, 6, sorry, 9 minus 3 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is 1936, and square root of 1936 is the same number, 44, right? So this is the solution. You can come to the third part. You can do third, fourth part by yourself, and if you find any difficulty, you can tell me. I will provide you solution, right? And fourth part is also there. If you are not able to do this sum, you can tell me, right? So this is the fifth question. In that fifth question, we have to find what the smallest number we should add to get it perfect, right? So make the pairs at first. Now see whose square is nearly or equal to 5. That is 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 1 will be there and 25 forward. Find the double of 2, that is 4. Now check where it goes. If I'm checking at 2, 42 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Check at 3 now. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 129 is more, right? So it goes at okay. This is the added case. We will find the one more than this. First more than this is 129. So let us take at 3. This is something different. Let us take at 3. This is 129. Now subtract 125 from 129. You will get 4 here, right? So what should we add here is 4. So 4 is the smallest number. Is the smallest number that should be added to get 525 a perfect square, right? So this is equal to 525 plus 4, that is 529. Now you have to find out the square root of 529 also. It is the same number. It is the same number 23, right? So let us come to the second part also. Make the pairs. Now 4 4s are 16. Get 1 after subtraction, and 50 will be forward. 4 2s are 8. Let us check if it goes at 2. You will get 82 2s are is 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 164, this is greater than this one. So it goes at 2. You have to check the first greater. So this is 164. Subtract this upper part from the lower. 4 minus 0 is 0, and 6 minus 5 is 1. 10 you have, so 10 must be added. So you can write here 4 minus 0 is 4. I'm sorry, 14 is the smallest number. So therefore 14 is the smallest number that should be added. That should be added to 1750 to get a perfect square, right? And what it is, that is 750 plus 14. You will get 764, and the square root of 764 is the same number, 42, right? So try to solve the third and fourth part also. If you are not able to solve, you can tell me. I will provide you the solution, right? Till then, bye.